Hey everybody, Caleb here. Today, I'm gonna walk you through step-by-step creating these insane AI videos that you may have seen on social media recently. It's actually a lot easier than you might think. It takes pretty much no editing at all. Let's hop into it. Ever imagined pitting your favorite personalities against each other in a showdown of epic proportions? Now you can, with no CGI studio required. With Mediaio's new AI fight feature, you can make anyone fight anyone, anywhere. Just upload 2 front-facing photos and let the AI bring your imagination to life. Ever wanted to see historical figures like Napoleon take on modern icons like Beyonce? Or create the ultimate superhero showdown between Batman and Iron Man? With Mediaio, it's easy. And I'm gonna show you how. First, click Get Started Free. And then Create New Project. Go down to Effect, and then Magic Effect. There's a few options here, like a kiss, a hug, and of course, a fight. Click on it, and then add your front-facing photos. It works best if your subjects are roughly the same size. Now, hit generate. In a few seconds, it's finished. We can download here or add it into our project to edit more. If you want to add things like subtitles to your video, you can watch one of my tutorials from the past. When we're done editing, click Export in the top right corner. Write in your file name, and then click Export. We're done. It's simple, fast, and doesn't require any design or animation skills. The AI fight feature is perfect for creating fan fiction scenarios that bring your wildest matchups to life, viral videos to engage your social media followers, or just personalized fun for parties, events, or gifts. You could make the Office characters battle it out. Or for pet owners, why not make their dog fight their cat? Mediaio's AI fight feature makes your craziest ideas a reality. Quickly, easily, and hilariously. Ready to create the next viral sensation? Try AI Fight now at Mediaio. And unleash your imagination. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for future tutorials. While you're waiting for my next tutorial to come out, you should check out all of the other AI tools on this website. There's so much to explore. There's also a bunch of templates on here that really remind me of Canva, but for video. It's really, really, really cool. So go check out what Mediaio has to offer, and I'll see y'all next time.